Hey traders, in this video I want to go over doubt and frustrations, really that mental aspect of trading, because I deal with a lot of very smart people, especially these analysts to the short side who they spend hours upon hours of fundamental research on companies, and it can be very frustrating to see these companies that, even like Tesla, with the CEO saying the stock is overvalued, that the stock goes straight back up, actually even higher from where they said it was overvalued. So let me show a couple points here. So here in Tesla, and this is just crazy. Let me remove this here because this is just absolutely insane here. Let's go to a 30-minute 3-day. So Elon Musk tweeted out right in here. Okay. So Tesla had earnings, it gapped up. Elon Musk tweeted right up in here around Tesla, around the 760s, that the stock was overvalued, and it fell about $100 instantly, okay, within about 30 minutes. And the next day, Tesla is higher than where Elon Musk said it was overvalued. So obviously that is very frustrating. And then you have stocks with like Peloton, with Citron, the short seller, who's, the company is crazy leverage, a crazy PE ratio. Obviously, the stock has been very bullish. And you even have Citron, Muddy Waters, these other really smart folks out there with GSX, a China name, with known accounting fraud. Again, here's the short seller around 32. The stock's around 40 now. IQ, another name, accounting fraud, stock goes straight up. So that can be, just to be quite honest, very frustrating to know that, hey, the stock or this market, whatever it may be, is overvalued and you still get hurt from it. Really, the best thing to do is just not put all your eggs in one basket. And that's what, I'll give you an example. HTHT, very large put buying. It's another China name. And the stock has gone straight up, and no one's traveling, no one's staying at hotels, but the stock has gone straight up. So is it frustrating? For sure. Am I wrong by buying puts? 100%, right? They didn't pay. But I also know that happens, and that is reality. Even if I always say this, if I have the copy of the earnings results, or I have a copy of the accounting statements, and I know they're fake, it can be very difficult even to make money. And that's what happens with some of the short selling and with some of these really smart folks out there, like Wayfair, for example. The stock has about a 50% short float. It went from 20 to 180 in a matter of, 30 days or so. That's what happens. And does it make sense? No. Does it have to make sense? No. That is stocks, that is trading, that is momentum, that is, emotions. So if you're on the wrong side of a trade, totally, I feel you 100%. And I'm not saying you're dumb. In fact, you could be really smart and you could have been right. It's just the way that's how markets are now. And you're having what I call junk in some stocks get rewarded. And it's absolutely crazy. But at the same time, you really have to, take a step back and back down. Thanks, everyone, and I'm about to trade the open.